be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this.
Welcome to another edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is the part 3 of the little ninja that could. Now, if you follow this last couple episodes, Jay has been up and down on this roller coaster ride. And now he has jumped onto this greenback jack, which is $25 single bet. And what he's doing now is max bet at $75 a spin. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up to show us how much you like this video. And let us know what you think so we can make more videos just like this. Hope you guys enjoy this video and many more of it. Thanks for watching.
How much is that? 4,039, yeah.
There you go.
Half of it is me trusting them, and the other half is...
It's not hard to sing down here.
That's true.
They never make mistakes.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
I'm not
Right
getting
there.
a good
Right
angles
there.
over here. That's the problem. I'm not getting a good angle being over there. Here, I'm getting a great full angle over here.
Hey, we rebuilding.
Yeah.
We rebuilding. Hopscotch. I'll take hopscotch. There you go. Lock it up.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
it's a big one.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a huge one.
Now that was $11,375, bringing him a nice healthy profit from the first $4,000, I believe, to about $15,000 now.
Hey, Red Screen Ninjas!
Wow, that's beautiful.
That was beautiful. That's fun
Yes.
again.
Now you just need Rick to get the same thing.
Yeah, if I can get that same percentage on that, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, you're doing good.
So you're telling me that's nothing but pure random generator right there?
RNG, baby. I don't care.
Because
if you don't
random
believe it,
generator,
Alex.
because if you know random
I work electronics. I work on these computer chips, man. I work for Intel. I'm telling you.
No, not on these though. Not.
Well, Intel doesn't produce these chips, but I think...
Now also, guys, do understand that Jay does not load up all his money in the machine and play it. He does single inserts $100 bills at a time, and that's just how he plays. Plus, again, at this point previously, he was already down $20,000. So had he would have loaded up a ticket of 1,000 or two, it would have been all his money would have been gone by now. So understand, you know, why he's doing a single bet at his time, and that's just his method of playing.
They're playing penny slots and they smacking the machine and doing all that.
Or they watch the bingo card before they hit. That's kind of weird.
What? It doesn't matter what time you click. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Oh, there we go. Right there. Oh, come on, baby. $100. I haven't gotten more than one spin on these.
Yeah.
It's always been one spin for 2,200, 6,200, blah blah blah.
So when are you gonna stop though? That's the thing I want to know.
The Red Screen Genie wants to know.
When I get tired, my dude. When I feel like I've won my money, then I'll stop. No, I just
But
knew
you
I.
see- but you see their
Persian
faces.
people, Yuri and Levon.
I just knew that I recognized his voice. Go red.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Go red. No, they're garbage, man.
No,
They're
they-
garbage. Dude, I love y'all shit, for real. Because y'all get good footage. The only thing I will tell you this. Devout watchers want to see bingo
That's what I
card.
just told him. Smack a little
Yeah,
bit.
they want to see bingo. They want to see the whole thing.
I know I watch bingo
And I
cards.
told him, tell him what makes a red screen. And he told them that.
Yeah.
I just want an interview.
Not with me. You don't want to interview.
Yeah, I want to know the mindset.
The mindset.
Mindset of a
How can
baller.
you gamble 88 hours and not sleep? It's called Red Bull, my dude. And
Adderall?
How long did you
I don't
sleep
know.
after?
You won't let me take it.
yeah,
How many hours after?
Wait, how old are you?
12. I'm 28.
20
See,
years.
it's okay for him to still drink Red Bull, not you.
That shit's bad for your heart, dog.
It is bad. It's very bad for you.
My mom had like 4 Red Bull vodkas tonight, and I was like, that's enough. And she kept ordering. I'm like, Mom, you don't understand. Like, you're drinking like a full Red Bull for each of those drinks right now. Like, that shit
It's not very good
is
for
gonna
you.
break your heart. And she's like in her 60s. You know what I mean? Like,
No.
it's too much.
It can give you a heart attack.
Oh, I know they can. I
Yeah,
had
the
16.
Red Bull is addictive too.
Yeah.
People
I had
drink
16 Red Bull vodkas last time I went to Vegas. I couldn't sleep. I was hungover, drunk, throwing up, having heart palpitations. Thought I was
not
gonna
good.
die, dude. I thought I was gonna die. Like, legitimately
that's
thought
not
that
good.
I was gonna go to the hospital.
What's the most money you won in Vegas?
Oh, not very much. When I went to Vegas, it was for work, so I didn't. I mean, I gambled, but I didn't like gamble. You know.
Not that you won this money, you gotta go to Vegas.
I don't really care for Vegas, man. I don't think Vegas is anything special, man.
Come
It's just
on.
home away from home.
So much better.
Right? Yeah.
And have a good time like this. And
I honestly don't feel that Vegas was anything special, but that's just me.
Vegas is a
I
trap
love Vegas.
to take
You know,
advantage of
Choctaw
tourism.
is kind of
I mean,
like,
I'll tell you this, as a dude, as a 28-year-old single dude, I love the strip clubs in Vegas. Because there are absolutely gorgeous women. You go to the right strip club, there's absolutely gorgeous women. Whether you want to say it or
is it true? Is it true?
not, lying
It
ass.
used to be, not lately.
I still think there's beautiful women.
I mean, I'm sure the elite of the elite goes worth
I guess it's been a while since I've been there then, but last time I was in Vegas, there were some absolutely gorgeous Hispanic women, which I'm from New Mexico, so I love Hispanic
Are
women.
you Hispanic?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
What's your
That's
last name?
Aragon.
Aron?
Aragon.
How do you spell it?
A-R-A-G-O-N.
Are you from Mexico?
A-O.
My father's from Spain. Dad left when I was a kid. Just because he's Spanish doesn't make me full Spanish, alright?
So it's kind of like. When he looked at your car, he thought it was Aguilar. I'm like,
Yeah, something like
your
that.
best friend's horrible.
Yeah, Ali, I thought we were supposed to be looking out for each other. You don't even know my last name, dog.
But you never told me your last name.
That's the first
I don't
thing you
normally
said.
say because when I say
You know?
Alright, we gotta do something here though.
Well, there is another $25 machine crazy.
Should I move, Ali, you think? You think these are done?
I think that's $25 is around 100.
You think this one's done? Tell me this one's done. Ali,
I
tell
want
me
you to
this one's
prove
done.
him
No,
wrong.
I want Ali to tell me this one's not gonna hit.
The one that he told a guy that.
5
he hit
spins. Give me
25
5
grand.
spins. Yeah, give me 5 spins, right? 5 spins. You ready?
I hope you hit to prove him wrong.
I do too. I don't actually know. It's just
No.
it's all fucking. There we go. Just to prove a point, I hit something.
We proved him wrong on this one day. We were playing it. He goes, "It's not gonna hit. I don't like those signs." And then boom, we hit 32 grand after he said that.
Did he? Did y'all? All right, there's 5 spins. I broke even. Let's see if I can hit something now. Damn it.
Oh, so you have about a good 20 grand now.
Yeah, between all of them. Earlier.
Yeah, so it's 16, 3200.
Yeah, there you go. I was thinking because my shit earlier, that's what I was thinking about. My bad. I was thinking 64. Come on.
Yeah.
But you get most of your money back, so
For them, you're trying to get me out of here, but I guess you don't work for them.
I want you
Hey.
to keep all your money.
They may say it's okay for you to with all these dollars.
With all these doll hairs. Yeah, we're good, man.
Yeah.
Go.
And here it goes again, honey.
That ain't my style. That ain't my style.
So you spent $2,500 in drinks tonight?
Yeah.
How much tip were you giving those girls?
Huh? I gave all the waitresses 1,000.
What? Are you shitting me?
All
Yeah.
of them together or just one?
No, each of them. I gave them each 1,000.
Each 1,000?
Yeah, I hit 60